Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards first and see what we get. Connect to your inner sense of the beauty of wisdom, being grateful for your whole journey. I am resilient. Your boundaries are loving protectors. And the angel number for today, $3535. Joy, joy, joy. I choose joy in every moment. My heart is open to happiness and laughter. I create joyful experiences for myself and others, radiating positivity and love. And today's quotes. Let's try in here. It's okay to have an opinion. It's okay to disagree with someone's opinion. It is not okay to humiliate them because they don't think the same way you do. Show some respect. Society needs more of that. In a society that has you counting money, pounds, steps, and calories, be a rebel and count your blessings instead. Oh yeah. 95% of who you are by the time you're 35 is a set of memorized behaviors, skills, emotional reactions, beliefs, perceptions, and attitudes that functions like a subconscious automatic computer program. You can reprogram all of this. My favorite, stop taking criticism from people you wouldn't go to for advice. And the last one today, your nervous system heals in stillness. Your gut health heals in gentleness. Your hormones heal in nourishment. You can't heal a body you hate. You can't obsess your way to health. You can't shame your way to wellness. Showing your body some grace and compassion is the deepest of medicines. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hey there. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today and see what we get first. $39.39. Inner growth. I am committed to my inner growth and self-improvement. I learn from my every experience and continuously evolve. My journey of self-discovery leads me to greater wisdom and fulfillment. Number 5, closing door, completion. What are things that are completing in your life? And some other cards today. Quiet your mind. My greatest weapon against a bad day is my smile, and I suppose a bunch of free money, but I won't get greedy. Letting go is like the sudden cessation of an inner pressure or the dropping of a weight. It is accompanied by a sudden feeling of relief and lightness, with an increased happiness and freedom. And today's little quotes. If they want to come out today. Nothing comes ahead of its time, and nothing ever happened that didn't need to happen. Byron Katie. You are made of love. How can you let anyone convince you that you are not worthy of it? You can't change what you did before, but you can change what you do next. Absolutely. Being bitter about someone else's life isn't going to stop them from enjoying it, but it will stop you from enjoying yours. And the last one today, tips for when you're having a rough day. Do something creative, treat yourself, call a friend, call a hotline or a therapist, go outside if you can, make your favorite foods, cuddle up in bed, talk to yourself like you would a friend, read a book, laugh. What else would you add to this list? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick a couple cards and see what comes out. "22. Fool's Embrace, Transmuting Pain." A Frida card today. Which Frida card do we need today? This one. Amor. As you must serve everything you create, it's a good idea to do so with love and integrity. What else do we need to hear? Discovering happiness. I allow myself to be content exactly as I am. Shadow work, forgiveness, and unconditional love will help you out a lot. Alrighty, and today's quotes. My path is clear. I am divinely guided and protected. How can you show yourself more kindness today? Does this vast multiverse scare you, reassure you, or intrigue you? Live where your heart finds joy. Walls keep everybody out. Boundaries teach people where the door is. And the last one today. Have you tried to understand your shadow? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.